Hi guys, I'm sick, still sick, can't taste anything or smell anything, which is like the worst part when you get a flu. I feel like I have a lot more energy today. I cleaned, started laundry, took a shower, did my makeup, finished a painting, started and finished a painting, which I'm about to show you. So yeah, I have more energy today, but I still am like very foggy in the head and like sinuses are bad and I just want to eat. I just want to eat yummy food. Oh, but it's, I can't taste anything right now, so it makes me not even want to eat. Because like, what's the point of eating if you're not tasting? You know. But let me show you this painting I did today. It's really awesome because, or let me show you this one first actually. So this is the one you guys saw last video. It's inspired by Sandy Beach. They have all these like beautiful rocks on the shore. It's really, really beautiful there. But this one took me a long time to do. This took me like 2 weeks. Obviously, like, I don't know how many hours, but like, actually it took me like 2 weeks to finish, which is a long time. Like, a long time. But I finally just like settled down. It was like so hard to figure out the sky. It was so hard to do the rocks. But this taught me so much that I did this in like 3 hours. And I like this one even more because like, look, it's very loose. I tried to keep it more loose. I like what's it called, like the layout more. And yeah, I really like it. Like, obviously it's not like crazy impressive, but to me it kind of is. Because I did it in such a short period of time and I didn't struggle I didn't struggle at all compared to that one. And yeah, I'm just really proud of like how the water looks and how I got the colors to look more realistic and not as cartoony, which I have a problem with doing sometimes. But yeah, I'm actually gonna give this to one of my coworkers who's leaving my job, which is so sad. When I found out, I was like, what? So I decided to make this for them. A little goodbye present. I always like to like paint things for people, like a special occasion or they're leaving. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I washed my hair, so I'm letting it dry and then I'm gonna brush it out. I've been struggling with my hair. I also told you last time I gave myself a haircut and I think I got it too short because now it's like so short to me, when in reality I only cut like that much off, which actually that's a lot. That's like almost 2 inches. But yeah, I cut a lot off. I guess it still looks long, but I'm just so used to it being down here. But I love like my wavy curls. I wish I could figure out a way to style them better because my hair gets so frizzy. And I don't have like super curly hair. Like literally if I brush it out or treat it a certain way, it'll look straight almost. So I just don't even know what to do. Like, I'm always so lost when it comes to my hair. So if you have any suggestions, because it's like my hair is so frizzy. like so frizzy. But yeah, it like holds a curl. Like if I go to the beach or like anywhere where it's like hot and humid, my hair will get super curly and it's so cute. But then any other time it doesn't really get like that. When I'm out of the shower, it's like a little wavy. But it's like sometimes when I go to the waterfall, especially, my hair will get like so curly. And I wish I could figure out how to do that. But I think it's just the humidity. I don't know if there's a way for my hair to do that. Because my hair can be pretty straight sometimes. Yeah, that's the hair update. Yeah. I'm trying to like love my hair more because it's part of me. Oh my gosh, my boyfriend got me this super cute unicorn music box. Let me wind it up. First, let me show you this. Look how darling that is. It has like these random little drawers. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. Maybe some like secret notes. Like, this is so cute. I would love to design something like this. And this is where I want to be. Like, I just want to paint on everything because I could have an old box and make it so cute by like painting something like this on it. So that's definitely part of the plot. It's so beautiful. It actually makes me want to cry. I don't think, I think to other people that would be like annoying for a long time, so that's why I stopped it. But I could just like listen and look at that unicorn spinning for at least 20 minutes. It's like so deeply nostalgic. I'll have to make like a painting piece about this inspired by like childhood and that sound. Because it's like such a beautiful sound, but such like a sad sound at the same time. Which is definitely the vibe of childhood. Sometimes, not all the time. But I've been really into Animal Crossing. That's what I've been doing. Cherry blossom season just happened today, so that's awesome. There's like so many bugs I catch. And I just added my friend on here so I can go visit her island. I'm a gamer girl now. But yeah, it's been really nice playing Animal Crossing. But it's also like, why don't I just do this in real life? Why don't I just try to go catch a fish right now? But let me show you the cherry blossoms. What else was I in? Here's the cherry blossom tree. And all I do is like buy and plant flowers. No. But that is one of my favorite things to do, is just garden on here. Tutu. But yeah, it makes me really excited for when I can have my own real life garden. It's about to go off. You guys, I got my taste and smell done. Yeah. I can smell things now. Oh my god. Never in my life will I take my sense of taste and smell for granted. Like, it just, oh, I never realized how big a part of my life food is. Like, my life really revolves around food. Like, everything I do, it's like just in the meantime, in between meals. You guys, I hate to admit it, I really do. But they were right when they said working out helps a lot. It makes you feel a lot better after. Sick Diaries. Oh. Hi guys, do we like a cinematic mode? I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Looking as beautiful as ever, I am. Hey guys, so I wanted to try to talk you more through my art process and the things I'm doing instead of just being like, oh, I did this. Oh, I did this. Let me like show you, tell you about it, you know? So I'm making a birthday gift for my best friend ever, Sarah. Sorry, I'm in a weird mood if you couldn't tell. But so I wanted to like paint her something, but I don't have any canvas. So I'm like, oh, I don't have any canvas. And then I was also thinking, she's graduating soon, she's gonna be moving soon, and she already has so many paintings that I've given her that she's gonna have to move with, and so maybe I'll make it easier and give her something that's art on paper so it's easier to move with, and not as clunky. So I'm pretty sure I've decided on doing a piece, a Prismacolor piece on like watercolor mixed media paper, so a little bit more sturdy. And yeah, it's gonna be of her, of some art, like face paint that I did on her. We did like a photo shoot not too long ago, and there's so many photos that I love, but there's this one photo that I just love so much, and I think it would look so pretty as an art piece. And I actually already drew up a little like sketch and pen drawing, and it came out so good, and it wasn't hard to do at all. So it's like, maybe this piece just needs to be made because it was so easy to just draw. So yeah, I went ahead and put some masking tape around the borders. Actually, I don't know if it's called that. I think it might be. But yeah, I did that last time on my last Prismacolor piece, and I loved how it turned out. When you tear the tape away and it has such a like a clean line, it's similar to when you put tape on your eye and then you do your eyeliner and your eye makeup and then you take it off and it's like this perfect wing. That's the vibe I get from that. So I'm doing that again. And I'm just going to sketch it out lightly with pencil, and then I'm going to go in with Prismacolor and get the like foundational shapes and values. and mainly do the whole piece in Prisma, and then do like the final touches and pops of color in oil pastel. So yeah, I hope this piece turns out great, because I really wanted to show like how beautiful she is and how I see her, you know. I really want it to like embody this like just gorgeous energy. Yeah. Oh, also, my manager at work, one of my managers, is leaving. Everybody's leaving. It's so sad, but it's also like happy because it's new beginnings, you know? So I'm happy for everyone. But she's leaving this Friday, so I wanted to give her a little art piece too to say goodbye. And I have some like little mini pieces that are ready that I could give, but I kind of want to create something specific for her as well, and something bigger. So I'll probably do another Prismacolor oil pastel drawing for her. So I'm going to focus on Sarah's birthday present first though, because I need to get this done so I'm not stressing out about it. And then hopefully I can get my manager done. Oh, I'm gonna watch the season finale of White Lotus. I'm so excited. It's so funny because all week I'll be like, I can't wait for White Lotus. I can't wait to watch the new episode. And then Sunday finally comes and I never even watch it on Sunday. I'm always like, I have like no urge to watch it on Sunday for some reason. And then I'm like, well, I need to watch it because I'm gonna start seeing spoilers on TikTok. So yeah, I need to watch it. So I'm gonna watch it so I don't get it spoiled. So I'm gonna watch it while I start on this art piece, and hopefully I can get a lot done so I can be even more productive tomorrow. And I'm finally starting to feel better. After being sick, I'm finally starting to feel better, like get back to normal again. So that's awesome! Being sick really makes you appreciate life. So as much as sickness sucks, it is a great reminder of how thankful you should be for your health and your senses. Okay, that's it for me. Love you guys. Hi guys, so this is me showing you some of the behind the scenes of the piece. This is just the sketch layer, and I love the sketch layer. It's always the best. It's always like so hopeful. And then you go in with the colored pencils and it gets a little bit muddy, but it still looks really good here. And yeah, then you gotta get in more of the details. And it's always so hard to balance like the color popping with like the subtleness. You know how it can get, like I said, muddy with too much, but I like how it turned out, and there's always room to improve, but considering how hard faces can be to draw and paint, I think it came out pretty well, and yeah, I love it. Cute. Because they're playing music? That's so cool, it shows up. Yeah. Hi guys, so I've been meaning to walk you through my painting process more, and I just forget. But here's this commission I'm working on. It's of these lovely orchids. I still have to do this one and then like add the final details and finish the background, like some little leaves. This has been surprisingly very easy. I had some worries when I first laid out the design because I was like, I didn't mean to make this so big, but I wanted to give it a lot of detail and it looked really good. So I was like, okay, I'll just keep it even though it's kind of like cutting off and kind of like touching here. But it doesn't have to be perfect, I don't think. And I really like the detail, how they're turning out. So yeah. Guys, I'm literally the worst YouTuber. Sorry. So more of my coworkers are leaving. 4 of them are leaving, which is so sad. So tomorrow's gonna be my last day with one of them. So I'm just packing her this goodbye little present. And let's see some more clips, but this is it. Cute. Okay. This is the other painting I'm giving to my friend Sophia. It's kind of a late birthday gift too, so cute. Hi YouTube, hi best friends. It's been so long since I've recorded a video of me actually talking. I need to get better at YouTube. I'm trying my best though. I think. Anyways, I wanted to talk about this painting that I just finished. This was a commissioned piece. Shout out to Lauren, love you, girl. Oh, look at it right there. I love how these two came out the most, I think. I really like this one actually, too, the colors and the spots. This one, I feel like the colors are just so pretty. This one was hard, but I like how it turned out in the end. It's hard to get like the shadows, right? This one was easy, but not too special, that one. I originally had painted the background as just some like leaves as buffers, but then I was like, let me get swirly with it, do my classic swirl, and I really like how it turned out with the swirls. I just like love this style, and I hope my audience loves it too, because the swirls and connecting like the objects, it's just like, I'm like, it all makes sense now. It all looks good now. So I love doing that, and I think that's probably going to be the signature part of my artwork for a long time, probably. When I'm like trying to be expressive. But yeah, some things I learned from this painting. I don't know, honestly, but I'm happy with how it turned out. Hi guys, I'm getting ready to do a photo shoot. I painted this shirt, but I think I need to go back in and add more darkness, because it doesn't look as dark as I remember it. I'm gonna try this on. Hi guys, so I need to get better at being a better YouTuber, and so some of my issues are when I want to film things or want to talk, I like very rarely ever look put together. If I'm just like hanging at the house, I will stay in my pajamas all day and not brush my hair, like not look good. And so that's like, I don't want to put that image of me out into the internet, but also it's like, get over yourself, like nobody cares, you know? So I'm gonna be better at not caring about that, but I also am gonna try to put more effort in my appearance, like when I wake up in the morning, and just like, I mean, literally all I have to do is brush my hair, put on some lip liner, put on some earrings, and then I'll feel good, you know, and put on like a cute outfit. But that's the other thing, I don't like any of my clothes, and like I feel like none of my clothes that I do like are comfy. So I need to figure out some comfy clothes, like workout clothes that I can wear that'll just make me feel more productive and help me work out more, because I only have like one pair of shorts I like to wear when working out. I'm just chatting for real, but I'm doing this instead of like writing this down, because it's easier, it's faster to talk than write down. So I also need to use this more, the headphone mic thing, because I don't like editing and hearing how bad the sound quality is, and this helps a little bit. So until I can afford a microphone, I need to do this. And I want to go thrifting and get some cute stuff for the house that we need, and some clothes, some workout clothes. Okay, let me tell you my plan for today. So it's Sunday, it's a little bit gloomy outside, so I'm just gonna stay inside today probably. I really need to clean my room, it's quite a mess. I unloaded the dishwasher, there's some more stuff I could do downstairs, and
editing and gonna upload my YouTube video today. Hopefully. Oh, and I need to edit and post my Instagram photos that I took. So it's kind of gonna be a more editing day and cleaning day. Then hopefully by the end of the day I can relax with doing some art. Okay, that's my plan for today. Love you guys.